Good morning students, this is your maths class and today we are going to learn a new topic which is finding the missing digits, which is on page number 45. Let's learn how to find the missing digits in a problem on subtraction with the help of an example. Now here is an example. Find the missing digits and check your answer. Now this is the number, you can see it here. This is the subtrahend, this is the minuend. Upper one is known as subtrahend, the upper one is known as minuend and the lower one is known as subtrahend. Now here you can see two numbers have been subtracted and the answer has also been given, but in between some numbers are missing. Now how will you find them? So we are going to follow the process, simply follow the process of subtraction. Now in the first number you can see there is 1 and 6. 1 is at the top and 6 is at the bottom. You are going to borrow 1 from the next number. Now when you borrow 1 you will get 11 over here, and you have got 1 over here, since you have taken 1 from 2. So 1 minus 8 again cannot be subtracted. So you will borrow 1 from 8 and this one becomes 11. Now this 8 becomes 7. Now 11 minus 8 will be how much? 3. Now again in another step, you have got 7 and here you have got nothing. Now how will you find this number? You have already got a number in the bottom. Now 7 minus 5 will be how much? 2. So you'll write 2 over here. Now in the next step you have got 6 over here, there is no number over here, and you have got 3 at the bottom. Now how will you solve this number? If there is some number, by subtracting which 6 you are getting this number. So how will you get this number? You will simply add these two numbers. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see 9. In the hundreds column, this is the hundreds column explanation. You may find a bit confusing the thousands column. In the thousands column, to find the missing digits of the minuend, which is over here at the top, minuend, add 6 and 3. You will add 6 and 3. Remember, if a number which is missing at the bottom and you've got a number at the top and at the bottom, you will subtract these two numbers to get this number. If you have got a number in between and at the bottom and a number is missing at the top, you will simply add these two numbers. Here you will subtract these two numbers to get this number. Here you will add these two numbers to get the answer. You simply remember that rule. Now we'll do we'll do one example. I'll do one example for you. Now here you can see 3 minus 0. I'll do it in the copy. Exercise how much? 4.3. Exercise 4.3. And the question number is 3A. Now I've got 1000, 100, tens and 0. Oh sorry, ones. Okay, now you've got 3 in ones place and 0 at the bottom. Here is a question mark. Okay, 5 at the bottom. Here you've got 6. Here you've got question mark. Here you've got 4 and 1. Okay, now they've given the answer also. Okay, here you've got question mark, here you've got 4, here you've got 4 again, here you've got question mark. Okay, now you've got to find these numbers which are missing. Okay, now we will do this in the stepwise. Okay, 3 0 5 6 4 1 4 4. Okay, in the next step, this is the question that you have copied. Okay, in the next step you are not going to write the question mark, you will leave the space for the numbers that you will write. Okay, now 3 minus 0 will be 3, you know that. Okay, now here minuend is blank, you have got subtrahend, you have got the answer, or simply a number is missing at the top, you have got a number in between and you have got the answer. Okay, now what did I say while showing you the example from the book? If you have a number missing at the top, you simply add the numbers at the which is in the middle and the bottom. Okay, now here you have got 5 4, 5 plus 4 will be 9. Okay, if you want to check it, just check 9 minus 5, you will get 4. Okay, now here you have got a number at the top and you have got the answer number at the answer portion. Okay, where you get the answer by subtracting these whole numbers. Okay, so what did I say in the earlier example? 6, you will subtract number at the top with the number at the bottom. Okay, 6 minus 4 will be 2. Just check, 6 minus 2 is 4. If you want to check your answer is correct or not. Now 4 minus 1 is simply 3. Okay, now this is how you do this type of question. Okay, the B, C, D, E and F, okay, in your book to be done. Okay, now question number 4 can be done. These questions will simply shows the subtraction facts. Okay, anything subtracted by 0 will be the number only. Okay, if you subtract a number with 1, you will get its predecessor. Okay, means a number which comes before this number. Okay, anything any number subtracted with its equal number will be 0. Okay, now again you will get a predecessor here. Okay, now you have got to know another topic from here, estimating differences. To estimate the difference, round off the minuend and subtrahend to the nearest 10, 100, 1000 and subtract. Okay, now how will you subtract while estimating the differences? Okay, you will be given some of the conditions like round off the minuend and subtrahend to the nearest 10 or 100 or 1000, and then you have to subtract. Okay, for example, find the difference between 6875 or 6875 and 3256 using estimation to the nearest 100 and compare with the actual value. Okay, here you have to estimate these two numbers to its nearest 100. Okay, and then compare with the actual value. First, the actual value is 6875 minus 3256. Okay, you will subtract these two numbers, okay, in a manner how you have subtracted in the earlier sums. Okay, now you are going to do the estimated value. You are going to round this number to its nearest 100. When you round a number to its nearest 100, which number are you going to look for? 7, or the number in the tens place. Okay, here you have got 7. Now 7 is more than 5. Okay, so the number in the hundreds will be added with 1. Okay, and you will write 0 in tens and ones place. Look at here, 6, number in the hundreds place, which is 8, will be added with 1, and you get 9, and you will write 0 in tens and ones place. Okay, now the second number, which is 3256. Okay, again you see the number in the tens place is 5. Okay, now here if you look at the condition, when you round off a number to its nearest 100, 10 or thousands, whatever it is, the number that you are comparing, if it is 5, okay, again you will add a number to the hundreds place or thousands place or tens place. Here you are going to add 1 to the number which is in hundreds place. Only if there was a number here which is less than 5, you will keep this number which is in hundreds place as it is. Okay, here it is 2, and you would have written double zeros in tens and ones place. Okay, now you have got here, but here you have got 5, so you will add 1 here, okay, in the hundreds place, which will be 3000. Okay, 2 will become 3, and you will write 0, 0 in tens and hundreds place. Now you will again subtract the number. Now the actual value is 3619 when rounded off to the nearest 100 is 3600. So the estimated value is correct. Okay. Okay. How will you check the estimated value? Here again, if you round off 3619, okay, here to its nearest 100, look at the number which is in tens place. It is 1, which is less than 5, obviously. Okay,